Now we're going to make this really cute and simple pair of earrings. So the first thing I do is take my Mini Bowdabra, take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, fold it in half, and lay it down into the Mini Bowdabra. And I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Now all I'm going to do is take this little piece of ribbon and just center it. So it's very tiny. Just center it and put that right down into my Mini Bowdabra. And I just want to make sure that my bow's centered here. So then what I'll do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, pull it through, just hold that little tiny piece of ribbon down, bring the wire out, and now I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to measure, I'm going to take my little earring, and you can buy these at any craft store or online, and I'm just going to feed this ribbon down through here and figure out the length that I want my earrings to be. The ones I'm doing, they're about 2.5 inches long. So now that I know how long it's going to be, I'm just going to take my wire, bring it back up here, and just twist it, tie a knot here. And then I'm going to take my beads and I'm just going to cut real close so you don't have the string. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of glue here, put that right in the center. And now you have these really, really cute pair of earrings. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.